Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Menteri Jangka Sarkar Pedeng Jangka Tenat Pelatingka ka Nirmala Sitha Raman minta kasi ka Shpotre Unaitung Arhajar Apusan kala Plie Pyrda ya ka Polo Commercial Complex Phase 2 ha kanong ba Shillong ha kani kasi layadon ringkat lang Menteri rang ba ka jilla o Konrad K Sangma ki simbut Menteri ka jilla o ba Preston Tensong bat uba asnyo bhalang dhar u Chief Secretary ka Sarkar jilla u DP Walang IAS bat u Commissioner and Secretary ka Tenat Urban Affairs ka Sarkar jilla u Dr. Vijay Kumar u IAS haba ay jingkran ha kani kasngi Menteri rang ba ka jilla u Konrad K Sangma u loong ba kanong ba Shillong kam dadan kata ka project ka ba khamhe bat ka ba biang minshwa Henry menta lala ban penurlong bat pelipat kani ka project ha kasien ka baningkong hapo kanong ba shu Menteri rang ba u loong ba kindang don bunteli ki project ki badang yaimi nang ni shakmat kum ka new Shillong project bat kande kawai ka bakong santam hapo kanong ba da ka ba benrap ru ba kani kan long kalinti ka ban kentiu shushu ha ka kampen roi hapo kanong ba Shillong ha ka jo kopor Menteri rang ba ulai thu ba hapo ka te ka complex kindon ki jaka bam ki jaka yele kai jong ki khna kumju ru ki dukan ki ba ki samla ki la ban sedang ban sengkam dalade
Please gentlemen, put your hands together for our speakers of this momentous occasion. Together, ladies and gentlemen, as the Union Minister of Finance inaugurates the Polo Commercial Complex. The Honourable Finance Minister will now unveil the inaugural plate of the complex.
Join Shillong in the smart city. So with that, now we are inaugurating one of the bigger projects. This is another project, 200 crores business center, which is under construction. Another 1 year, this will be ready. This is the integrated command and control center. This is the actual picture. This is complete. So this is where, ma'am, we have got the entire smart city, the screen and all the the videos with which yes, control. So all the cameras and everything. And this is where the state data center also is going to come up. So this is the riverfront, ma'am. Just behind is the river. We are developing. This is the Saski project. We are developing the riverfront. These are the sports hostels we plan to build for the national games. So because this is all our sports area. This is called the Polo area, which is where the entire sports complex is. So that when we had in fact conceptualized that and made a part of the project. We have a huge traffic issue. So once we start doing that, there will be 2 years of complete traffic. So we have thought that we'll do this in the next phase when we'll be able to shift the city out of the city, and then that component will then come. This is the project. This is called Nirmala. Basically the 9 lanes where they meet the junction. Police bazaar is what it's called. So this is the right place, but it's also the hub of traffic. There's a lot of traffic. So we are reimagining that. We are kind of trying to redesign and redevelop. Shillong was the 100th smart city. It was one of the first decisions that Sir made in 2018 as Chief Minister to give the 50% state share and join Shillong in the smart city. So with that, now we are inaugurating one of the bigger projects.
This is another project, 200 crores business center, which is under construction. Another 1 year, this will be ready. This is the
This is the integrated command and control center. This is the actual smart city, the screen and all the videos which gets control. So all the cameras and everything. And this is where the state gets.
We are aware that this has been a program that we have all been waiting for a very, very long time. And in the past also, Madam had made programs, but due to different circumstances, she was not able to come to Shillong. But we are extremely happy, privileged and honored that today Madam is able to come to Shillong and will be here with us for the next 3 days. And will be able to engage with the people, will be able to inaugurate many projects, lay down many foundation stones for future projects, and of course have very fruitful discussion on the future of the state. I just want to say 2 things. Number one is that I have been working with our Honorable Finance Minister for many, many years. And I want to share in this platform today that Madam has been always very, very kind and considerate towards our state of Meghalaya and also the entire Northeast. She has a very soft corner for the people of the Northeast, for the Northeast region as a whole. And we have always felt that whenever we have gone to request her for any kind of special consideration for our state, Madam has never said no. I also want to share with all of you that there is a special program by the Finance Ministry which is called a Special Assistant to Capital Investment for different states. And this is a scheme which is mostly meant for infrastructure development. And with the blessing of the Finance Ministry and the blessing of our Honorable Finance Minister, Meghalaya State has been able to get maximum funds through this scheme which we call SASKI. And with the help of this program, many roads, connectivity have been developed, many large infrastructures have been created, and different kind of iconic projects have been made, and many more will be made in the future. And the reason I'm mentioning this today to you is because we all end up seeing the roads being constructed. We all end up seeing, different projects coming up, but we never come to know that actually the funds have come from SASKI. So it has been funds that Madam has been very generous. Meghalaya has been one of the few states that has been able to really capitalize on this scheme, and through her guidance today, we are really able to use those funds for the overall development of the state. I'd like to mention is that, ma'am, today what we are inaugurating here today, yes, it is a shopping complex and a new building and a new concept, but this is actually, in a way, a symbol, I should say, of the progress and the plans and the transformation that we have planned for the entire city of Shillong. And this is the first building that we're inaugurating now, but there are series of other programs and projects that are coming up. So what we're seeing here today is the beginning. You will see that along the way, projects to beautify the entire riverfront, a project that's costing close to about 35 crores, has already been sanctioned and work is started. So we will actually have the entire riverfront being made into a proper tourist spot and develop it. We are also developing the entire area for the sports complex, where all the major sports events take place as of now. All that is being developed. Behind that also, we have some land where we'll be again creating additional infrastructure. So all of this area will be developed. We are in very advanced talks also with the shopkeepers along in this area, so that we are able to beautify this entire space. For the first time, ma'am, what I want to tell you is that this kind of a transformative project and thought process has never happened. Shillong has been the Shillong it was earlier, with no major projects taking place of this magnitude. It is only in the recent past that it started, and this project is the first one to be completed, and there are many more coming in. We just showed you the projects for the new Shillong area which is coming up. That again is is going to be a very, very important part of our city. The entire new assembly is there. The NIFT is there. The IIM is there. And of course, our new administrative city will come up in that area, which will further lead to the decongestion of Shillong city. And we hope that that will again pave the way for us to then develop more. And as was mentioned by you, we really look forward to having the other modern aspects of underground duct cabling, where all the water, power, other cables are all underground. So those projects are restricted because of the fact that once we start those projects and construct them, then it really affects the traffic and the vehicle movement. And anyway, Shillong is super congested, and those projects would lead to even more congestion. But that will be the second phase, once we're able to shift things, and then we'll be able to implement the other projects. So I just wanted to share this idea with you. And as I said, very soon we are tendering out the space out here. So we would like to see people bid so that we get the maximum rates for the space out here. And as mentioned, there is a lot of development on top, but we will not have the time to see. But there's also a gaming section, there is a food court, and there are of course very large space for our youngsters especially to come up and start their business and have their shops out here. So with these few words, once again, Madam, I really would like to thank you.